Good evening, everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to use Quick Pips on NinjaTrader 8, how to connect your ProFirms account with Ninja. So first of all, we have to log into Ninja. Okay, normally Ninja takes 1 or 2 minutes to load up. So I am trading multiple accounts on Ninja, so it's gonna take a little bit time. Okay, so these are all the accounts that I'm trading on Copier. So, okay, now once we have the chart open, to load the Quick Pips indicator on Ninja or any other indicator that you wanted to use, you have to right click on the chart, come to the indicators, then you can select any indicator that you wanted to use. We wanted to use the Quick Pips, so I will click here, I will type Q, and then we have Quick Pips Cloud here. Double click on it, apply, and OK. And then we have the Quick Pips indicator ready. Okay, we have the clouds, we have all the levels, London High, Asia, and all the levels, midnight open and everything. Okay, that's the first thing. Now the second thing is we are going to see how to connect your ProFirm accounts. So you will have to come to connect, then configure. Then if you are using the Tradeoway accounts, any ProFirm that offers the Tradeoway, for example, I have Apex and I have Take Profit Trader. So for Apex, you or even Take Profit Trader, you just have to double click on NinjaTrader here. Then you can rename this to anything, and then you can just copy and paste your username and password from your ProFirm. You can also click on this connect on startup, so every time you start Ninja, it will be automatically connected and you will see your accounts. So once you fill out all this information, you will just hit apply and OK, and then you will have all the accounts ready. If you wanted to trade multiple accounts, you can also use the copier, and once you open the copier, you will see all the accounts. So from all these accounts, you just have to select a leader account. Let's just say if we wanted to have a leader account as a SIM 101. Now once you select the leader account here, you wanted to make sure on your chart or on your DOM you need to have the same account. And then once you have these same accounts, then you have to select the instrument. So for example, if you trade Nasdaq MNQ, you will select MNQ. Then you can connect all the accounts that you want to trade on copier. You can uncheck if you don't want anything, and if you want to trade everything, you can check. You can also select the ratio. So for example, on the SIM account, if you want to take 1 MNQ, and then on some other accounts, if you wanted to take multiple MNQs, so you can change it to 2, or you can change it to 5, or whatever. And for example, if you have account with a bigger threshold and you want to trade NQ rather than MNQ, so you can simply cross it. So for example, if I wanted to trade this account on NQ and all the other accounts on MNQ, so I will just click cross, and then now when I take the trade, all the other accounts will be on MNQ and this account is going to be NQ. So that's how you use the copier. We don't want to save it. Okay. So it's pretty easy to use Ninja for your live accounts or any PropFirms account. You can, if you wanted to use any PropFirms account, you can check quickpips.ai. We have a lot of discount coupons on that. You can use those coupons to get the discount from the PropFirms. I hope this video helps.